Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be looking at Nordstrom stock and whether you should be buying this at $14. So let's get right into the video by looking at its quarter 2 earnings. So in its quarter 2, it reported a net loss of $255 million, and compared to last year in the same quarter 2019, they had a profit of $141 million. So this was obviously due to the COVID impact and the stores closing, and they pretty much had their EPS 2% down from what it was expected. Its loss per diluted share was 1.62, and I'm pretty sure they expected 1.54. So missed by 4 cents, but yeah, and that's the reason why Nordstrom basically came down from where it was to here. To read more, the CEO says that they are bullish on the next half of the year, and they expect things to get fine, and they think that it can hopefully improve as half of the stores were actually closed, as they said over here, 50% of the days and anniversary. So the stores were closed for 50% of the time, so that's what really hit them really badly. Losses before interest and taxes of $370 million. So this is their tax information. If you're interested, you could read this. Their net sales actually decreased 58%, obviously because people are not coming to the stores. The total company digital sales decreased 5%, so that's like online sales with their e-commerce. And their gross profit and percentage of net sales was 21%, decreasing from 35% of the same period in the last year. And this is obviously again due to the demand and the volumes reflected by the COVID impact. And their inventory decreased 24%. Obviously, they're trying to save more money, so they're getting less clothes, and that's why their inventory dropped 24%. In my opinion, this is quite good. Selling their expenditure basically was 47% compared with 31% from last year. So they're saving more money basically, and they reduced because of the lower sales overhead costs of nearly 20%. And their income tax benefit of $166 million was here too. So you can have more information in the conference call. And now let's get right into Nordstrom stock right over here. So this is Nordstrom stock right now trading at $14.79. I believe it was even 13.69, but if you had bought it, you would have made 25%. And after its earnings, it did come. Nordstrom has come down about like 15%. So, in my opinion, this is a great buying opportunity. Before the COVID impact, it was $41. So, if you look at this, the stock's down 64%. So you can probably double your money pretty easily if you hold on to the stock and their sales come back together. So Eric B. Nordstrom is the CEO, and he does do the quarterly earnings. He is part of the Nordstrom family. I believe it was his great-grandfather or grandfather, not too sure. But 5 years ago, I mean, really the online retail has destroyed retail stocks. I mean, 2015, it was trading at $80 Nordstrom, and then came Amazon and ruined all these sales. I mean, now everything's about e-commerce, right? So it's hard seeing these bounce back, but I'm telling you, they will bounce back because, in my opinion, Nordstrom has a great brand awareness, guys. Everyone who goes to office needs to get something from Nordstrom. It's like the luxury thing in going to a store. So these fashion brands always have intrinsic value and value for the customers. So with that said, that will be part of this video, and my price target for this in the next 1 year is at least $25. As long as COVID goes away, people start returning to the malls, start returning to the stores, start ordering some stuff from Nordstrom online as well. And here is how their store looks like. You can find a lot of stuff for men, women. It's actually pretty expensive, so it's not a cheap brand, and they do make a lot of money in every product sold. I mean, look, $64. This is a sale, $32. So look, like, are you seriously kidding me? $64 for a freaking bikini. I mean, it is expensive stuff, but guys, people are buying these things. Some things are pretty expensive, but they do have a demand, and the rich people always come here. So why not buy the stock? And my recommendation would be to find more retail brands, maybe like Guess, Capri Holdings, and put a small amount in each, as they are risky investments, as maybe consumers might not return to these companies, and the customer base might just go away and they lose the market share. So there's always a risk in these times, but I think that the demand and there should be returning customers in this company. So this is a pretty much a good buy. Remember, if you're buying at this price, the price in the near term future, like short term, depends on the market sentiment of the normal Dow, and that will drag the price. So it's not my fault if the stock goes down, guys. But I can say confidently that I am bullish on the stock on the long term. Please make your own decisions and do your own research. And if you have any questions, let me know down below in the comment section below. And as always, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.